All aboard!
We are in eastern Sicily and it is a beautiful sunny day. Prickly pears and sea escort us to Scaletta Zanclea. We climb to the top of this little village. Down there at the top, you can see the tower of that castle. Let's go!
Michele, vieni Michele, Adele, ti trovo meglio.
Here is Adele.
Grazie, cara.
And here are our pastries.
He's my husband. He's going to the countryside to make oil.
Vuole vedere la tavola, ciao. C'è Adele, dice dimmi, cosa è successo? Ti sto sentendo, ho spiegato un po' la situazione.
We'll sneak our way through the little alleys of Scaletta Superiore. Look at those cuppers hanging on that stone wall. Here we are in the little square where the main church stands. A magnificent view of the sea, and in front you can see the Italian peninsula, the mainland, just that part where Italy gives a kick with its boot to Sicily. We go up among the small low houses and narrow alleys of this medieval village. Silence, peace, smells and shines of Sicily that, like trails of smoke, come out of the windows and courtyards of this place.
Dai, non siamo abituati.
A quel tipo di pioggia.
È inutile.
Giovanni, piacere.
Se per caso.
E tu il castello?
Sì, il mio.
No, sai, ho fatto parcheggiare in piazza.
We go up, and finally we arrive at the wonderful castle. It was built in 1200 and donated by the last owners, the Ruffo family, to the town of Scaletta in 1969. Hey, there are real cannonballs. Here we are inside the castle. This is a Ruffo family book. It must have been wonderful to live inside a castle. Now it's sort of a museum. There are old photos of Scaletta and the surrounding villages and various relics from the past. Spears, helmets, chains, medals, books. In this room, which was once the church, are preserved ancient coins. There is also a beautiful mullioned window with a magnificent view of the Ionian Sea. Darn it, I want my own castle.
Ecco, sta dicendo, no, sì, ecco.
This cistern was full of water, and when they sighted the enemy, they emptied it in a hurry. They entered here, and through an underground passage, they almost reached the sea.
Va bene. Va bene. Qua dove arriva?
And where does the staircase lead
No,
to?
vabbè, non c'è bisogno.
Up on the terrace.
Sì, sì.
Let's go then.
Che spettacolo, veramente.
Mamma mia, what a view! Wonderful castle of Scaletta, you are beautiful.
Signora, salve, scusi, sono un giornalista, sto facendo qua un giro.
Here we are again, in the village below the castle.
Lei perché
Let's see what that castle lady has to say.
In pace.
We are peace and quiet. Today at Adele's, you will surely eat well.
Non lo so che cosa cucinava. Ancora non lo sa. Lei ci ha fatto, iniziamo da Adele, ci ha fatto la pasta con i gamberetti di Nassa.
Lei è
Dice
una
che...
brava cuoca, ottima. Mangerete sicuramente bene.
Wonderful picture, fig tree, the church and Italy over there. Many houses are uninhabited. Would you like to move to Scaletta with not even 50,000 euros? You will have your house ready to live in. Let's sneak into this alley. Hey, but there is no one in this village. This house is really full of plants. Let's ring.
Good morning.
Sorry to bother you, ma'am. Well done, it's very nice, this entrance. How is it to live here?
Great.
Have you always lived here?
Always. Did you go up to the castle?
Of course. What are you cooking today?
Cosa cucina oggi?
Oggi, siccome mio marito è un pochino a dieta, diciamo che un po' di glicemia.
Since my husband's on a diet, I made rabbit and boiled vegetables.
Okay, let's continue. A gentleman with a scooter.
Salve. Questa spunta, spero.
Listen, does this road pop up anywhere? Here we are at Adele's house.
Comodi.
Grazie.
That's Adele at a young age.
Vediamo. Devo riprendere la casa di una siciliana. Ah, qua c'è una bella vista.
This is the bedroom.
Chi sei tu?
That's me with my grandmother when I got married.
Questo è tuo marito.
Here Adele is with her husband.
Eccezionale. Un panorama meraviglioso.
What a view from this room.
Ora poi da sotto.
Oh, le castagne.
Let's go down to the kitchen. Here is what Adele has prepared. Shrimp with sauce, a local specialty. Adele is known in the village because she sells homemade bread and various preserves such as olives, tomatoes, eggplant in oil. That's the oven where Adele makes her bread. Okay, hungry. Just the time to rinse my hands and we eat. Adele turns the pasta, I take a picture of the table and I sit down. Olives and eggplant in oil, nassa shrimp with all the skin on, fried and stuffed peppers, exceptionally good. And here is the pasta. Enjoy. Where did you and your husband meet?
He was engaged to someone else, and then I popped up.
A little bit of Sicilian wine, and we close with the inevitable homemade limoncello. A digestive walk towards a very particular house in Scaletta Superiore.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Ciao. Prego, accomodiamoci.
Buonasera, grazie.
Ciao, come stai?
Bene, tu?
Bene.
Piacere Giovanni Vallone.
Io faccio strada.
So many flowers, so many objects in this room.
Buonasera.
Here is Mr. Sessantina Cifalà, the owner.
Grazie. Buonasera.
Che cosa sono queste, signora Sessantina?
What are these, ma'am?
Terracotta shoes.
So many dolls.
They come from Messina.
Che bello.
Let's see this other room, the frescoes, roofs.
Quasi 100 anni.
It was built 5 to 600 years ago.
But how do you clean this house?
Chi la pulisce sta casa?
Chi la pulisci? Quasi se...
Slowly, one object at a time.
Mamma mia, what a job.
Tante oggi.
Here we have the bathroom.
Qui abbiamo il piccolo bagno.
Bellissimo anche questo. Ah, che belli orologi.
Il castello di Scaletta superiore, questa lettera.
Buongiorno.
There are friends and relatives of Mr. Cifalà.
Va bene.
La
Allora,
cucina. Io le... Qua abbiamo una camera da pranzo.
This is the dining room.
tutte ste case, tu piena di... guarda anche là, hai fatto qualche foto, Salvo, ce l'hai? Che foto?
And this is my bedroom.
Questa è la sua camera?
That's me, my husband and my son, who lives in Turin.
E questi chi sono, signora?
Io quando ho fatto 25 anni, io, mio marito e mio figlio.
E suo figlio dove vive?
A Torino.
A Torino.
We go up to the terrace, where there is clearly a magnificent view. Okay, let's go. But listen, Mom, you buy all these flowers every day?
Ieri ho fatto una marcia.
No, yesterday was my name day, and they gave them to me.
Thank you for the beautiful day, Adele, castle of the village of Scaletta Superiore. Peace and Sicily on the Sparks, and a beautiful fountain from 1823. Ciao ciao!